Hey, ain't you Coyote boy KT?
Oh, what's up? You looking for me? Hey, what's up with the Coyote gang? Oh! Hey, y'all don't know what it is. Y'all already know who it is. You know what I'm saying? Boy, Coyote boy KT now. Hey, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, all that. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show you better. Check it out. 17. What's going on, KoyotePack? Your boy is in a little pickle. Some of it changed my oil. Sometimes things go wrong like this right here. Wasted a whole bunch of motor oil underneath the car. Now what am I gonna do? Man, but you know what? It's not all lost though. Yes, sir. So, you gotta use that Superclean, you know what I'm saying? Trying to wipe that oil stain up with towels and stuff, man, that's a waste. All you gotta do, get you some of that Superclean floor absorbent right here. And pretty much all you do is take some, like right now, I have the chrome jack stands, pour a little bit down there. Then all I gotta do is just move the car out the garage and it won't track out the garage, which is a good thing because you definitely don't want to track oil because oil tracks real heavy. But let me move this car out and I'll show you what I'm talking about. See where the tire marks, you actually see the oil tracking, but as soon as it comes in contact with that oil absorber, it stops it right in its tracks and it didn't track out the garage. Leak still moving, no problem. Take the Superclean floor absorbent, just pour it on the leak and it stops the leak immediately. Keeps it from dragging. That way you can keep the leak contained at all times. Why waste your time with towels, you know what I'm saying? Waste of time. Use the floor absorbent and it kills the leaks in its tracks. Now, after you get the floor absorbent on the leak that you got secured, all you have to do is just pretty much sweep the mess up, and then it will get all the oil up and it won't leave that oily residue and stain that's still on the concrete or whatever surface you're trying to work on. Alright, you guys, so once you let the floor absorber sit for a couple minutes, sweep it up into a little pile, and then you'll be able to tell that the absorber is doing its job because it'll slightly turn colors. It'll get a little bit darker, let you know that it trapped the oil or whatever type of fluid that you're working on. It'll trap it in the absorber and sweep it up. Then dispose of the absorber, you know what I'm saying, throw it away in the trash, you know, put it in the bag or something, dispose of it. So pretty much make sure you guys try Superclean. Tag your boy Coyote boy KT as well as tag Superclean. Let us know how your experience is with the product, and y'all know how we do it. Oh, I'm out. Hey, what a day. It's every day, all day. Hey, it's more than the game. We are packed. So till then, y'all know what's fine.